Welcome to SAEs with Tech, where smart tech meets real solutions. Today, we're unlocking the secret to stress-free, crystal-clear hybrid meetings. If you're tired of awkward Zoom calls, poor camera angles, and people talking over each other, this video is for you. Let's be honest, hybrid meetings are a mess. One half of your team's in the room, the rest are remote and feel left out. The camera, always pointed at the wrong person, and the audio, echoes, delays, dropouts. It's costing you time and money. Now imagine a meeting where everyone is heard, seen, and fully engaged, no matter where they are. That's what the Meeting Owl 3 delivers. This is the Owl Labs Meeting Owl 3, a 360-degree smart video conferencing device that transforms your regular meetings into high-performance hybrid collaborations. With its unique owl-like design, the Meeting Owl 3 combines intelligent AI, 1080p HD camera, 360-degree audio, and automatic speaker tracking to bring everyone into focus. Here's why it's a game changer. Checkmark 360 at a grind camera view captures the whole room, so remote participants never miss who's talking. Auto speaker focus. It instantly zooms in on the person speaking, making conversations natural. Smart mic system. Picks up voices within 18 feet, loud, clear, and echo-free. Plug and play, no tech team required, USB plus Wi-Fi, and you're set. Teams, Zoom, Google Meet compatible, fully flexible for any platform. Think about it. How many deals have slipped because your message didn't land? How many remote teammates feel left out or unheard? And how much time is wasted setting up clunky hardware? The Meeting Owl 3 gives you back time, clarity, and connection. It's not just a camera, it's a business upgrade. Whether you're running a startup team across cities, teaching hybrid classes, hosting client meetings with remote partners, this device makes everyone feel equally present. No more asking, "Can you hear me?" or "Who just spoke?" It's like everyone's in the same room. The Meeting Owl 3 is perfect for remote-first teams, hybrid workplaces, educators and trainers, executive meetings, tech-forward businesses who want to stay ahead. Invest once and save hours in miscommunication, thousands on travel, countless missed opportunities. That's not just convenience, it's profitability. Hybrid meetings are here to stay. Why not lead the change with tech that makes them seamless? Click the link in the description to check out the Meeting Owl 3 and transform your next meeting forever. This is SA Ease with Tech, helping you simplify, scale, and succeed with smart tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more powerful tools to upgrade your work life. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, make every meeting count.